My name is Haley McDonald and I'm a Stewardship Coordinator with the Nature Conservancy of Canada in the Canadian Rockies program area. Today I'm here to talk to you about our Larsen Lake Range Fencing project. NCC's Larsen Lake project is located approximately 16 kilometers south of Canal Flats and 12 kilometers north of Skookumchuck. Larsen Lake is the most recent addition to the Kootenay River Ranch Conservation Area. The Larsen Lake Conservation Area is made up of 129 hectares of second-growth mixed-wood forest, wetland areas, and approximately 200 meters of Larsen Lake shoreline. The pre-existing fence around the perimeter of the project had fallen into disrepair and was no longer effective at keeping livestock out of sensitive riparian sites. A new wildlife-friendly fence was necessary to protect the integrity of the ecosystem while still allowing for low-impact, non-motorized recreation. Both cattle trespass and high-impact recreation such as off-road vehicle use contributes to the degradation of the Larsen Lake shoreline and wetland habitat throughout the property. These activities are known to contribute to the spread of invasive plants, soil compaction, erosion, and wildlife disturbance. To help mitigate these threats, NCC has successfully installed 4 kilometers of wildlife-friendly range fencing at Larsen Lake, thanks to the support of the Regional District of East Kootenay, Columbia Valley Local Conservation Fund, and other generous funders. This fencing ensures that cattle and motorized vehicles are kept out of these sensitive sites while still allowing for wildlife to move freely, maintaining a connected landscape. Low-impact recreation visitors will also get to enjoy a vibrant and resilient ecosystem while they are out enjoying their time on the land. The wetland and riparian areas here are of particular importance as they provide biodiversity and ecological function disproportionate to the land area they occupy. Intact wetlands provide ecosystem services including the absorption and filtering of sediments, pollutants, and excess nutrients, recharging groundwater, maintaining stream flows, controlling runoff, and reducing erosion. These services benefit downstream and neighboring communities, particularly in light of ongoing climatic changes. In addition to allowing for the re-establishment of wetland and lakeshore vegetation, this project will also improve forage for ungulates and protect important migratory and nesting habitat for wetland-dependent bird species. We would like to acknowledge that this project takes place on the traditional territories of Indigenous people who have stewarded this land for time immemorial. As an organization and as individuals, NCC is committed to learning about the traditional, cultural, and ecological significance of the lands that we live, work, and play on. With humility, we learn to see with 2 eyes through the weaving of Indigenous ways of knowing with Western science, which we hope will guide us in advancing reconciliation and to strengthen our conservation practices.